What if I told you Microsoft has released an emergency Windows 11 update, but only a small number of users actually need it? If you install the wrong update without knowing whether your PC is affected, you could end up wasting time or downloading something you don't need. So, who should install this emergency patch, and what exactly does it fix? Let's find out. Before we begin, if you enjoy staying updated with the latest Windows 11 news, insider builds, hidden features, and Microsoft updates, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Microsoft has officially released a new emergency out-of-band update for Windows 11. Unlike the regular monthly security updates that most users receive through Windows Update, this release was created specifically to address a compatibility issue affecting a limited number of devices. Emergency updates like this are only released when Microsoft identifies a serious problem that needs to be resolved quickly instead of waiting for the next scheduled update. According to Microsoft, the issue affects certain Dell computers running Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2. After installing a previous Windows update, some users experienced unexpected system shutdowns, overheating, reduced performance, and stability problems. Microsoft determined that these issues were related to a compatibility conflict involving the Intel Innovation Platform Framework, also known as Intel IPF, which is used on supported Dell systems to help manage power and system performance. To address the problem, Microsoft has released the emergency update KB5121767. The purpose of this update is to restore compatibility between Windows 11 and the Intel IPF component while improving overall system reliability on affected Dell devices. If your computer was experiencing crashes, unexpected shutdowns, or overheating after the previous update, this new patch is designed to resolve those issues. However, it's important to understand that this update is not intended for every Windows 11 PC. If you're using a desktop or laptop from another manufacturer, or if your Dell device isn't experiencing any of these problems, you do not need to manually install this emergency update. Microsoft recommends installing it only on systems that are actually affected by the compatibility issue. If you own a supported Dell laptop or desktop and recently noticed unusual behavior after updating Windows 11, such as poor performance, random restarts, overheating, or unexpected shutdowns, your device may be among the affected models. In that case, installing KB5121767 is recommended to restore normal system operation. Microsoft is delivering this update through Windows Update for eligible devices, making it easier for affected users to receive the fix automatically. In some situations, the update may also be available through the Microsoft Update Catalog, allowing advanced users or IT administrators to manually download and install the correct version for Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2. This release is also a good example of why Microsoft occasionally publishes out-of-band updates. These updates are different from the regular Patch Tuesday releases because they're intended to quickly resolve critical compatibility or stability problems that cannot wait until the next monthly update cycle. Although emergency updates are relatively uncommon, they play an important role in keeping Windows devices stable and secure when unexpected issues arise. Overall, if you're using one of the affected Dell systems, installing KB5121767 is recommended because it addresses the compatibility problems caused by the earlier update and improves system stability. On the other hand, if your Windows 11 PC is working normally and isn't one of the affected Dell devices, there's no reason to manually install this update. Waiting for future cumulative updates through the normal Windows Update process is the best approach. As Microsoft continues to release new Windows 11 updates, insider builds, security patches, and hidden features, I'll keep bringing you the latest news with clear explanations and complete coverage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows 11 updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.